Hello, everybody. Today I will teach you how to talk about yourself in English. I will show you 5 people talking about themselves. I want you to focus and you will find out how easy is it. The secret here is they almost all use the same phrases. They just change some words. Now listen to Mr. Jack.
Hi, my name is Jack. I am from Australia. I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. I like my job a lot. I am married.
Now listen to Mrs. John. Focus. She will use the same phrases. Listen.
Hello. My name is Mrs. John. I am from France. I am a nurse. I work in a hospital. I don't like my job. I am married.
Now listen to Mr. Tom. He will use the same phrases, but he will use more phrases. Listen.
My name is Tom. I am an accountant. I work in a company. I like my job. It's interesting. I am from Canada. I am married. I have 2 children. They are students. I live in London. I have a big house. I am 38 years old. I like sport. I play tennis every day.
Now listen to Miss Sally. She will talk about herself, and she will use the same phrases. Listen.
My name is Sally. I am American. I am from New York. I am 29 years old. I am not married. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am a bank manager. My job is very important, so I like it a lot. I don't like sport, but I like music. I live in New York. I have a small apartment. It's in the center of town.
Have you noticed that they use the same phrases? They just changed their names, their jobs, their ages, what they like or don't like. what they have. Now listen to Sarah. She will talk about herself with new phrases. Listen.
Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am Sarah. I am a student. I am 16 years old. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. I live with my family. I am smart. My teachers like me. I like sport and music. I can swim. But I can't play football.
I think that you understand the secret now. You keep the same phrases and you can change only some words. So keep just the following. My name is. My name is. My name is. I am years old. I am years old. I am years old. I am from. I am from. I am from. I like. I like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I have. I have. I have. I have. I live in. I live in. I live in. I can. I can. I can. I can't. I can't. I work in. I work in. If you want to speak about yourself professionally, watch the second part. Good luck.